Now we have this Contoso HVAC remote monitoring solution that I was able to verify that I can connect a real device to, that I can actually do firmware update and so forth. What I want to do now is connect some more services, some more data, some more information. I want to create a service application. I want to track the maintenance team when they're going from one place to a customer, going through the factory, picking up parts and so on. So I want to add this geospatial service type. And to do that, I can leverage the location-based services that are part of the Azure IoT offer. And what these are is basically a set of APIs that I can add to my Azure subscription and then to my application and make them my very own set of services that I can then reuse in different applications. And I can actually leverage maps and search and traffic routing and so forth. Let me show you real quick how that looks like. I created an instance of the location-based service on my subscription, and the thing that I will need in order for me to add this functionality in my application is the key for that service, right? So I can copy the key and into my solution, which is the remote monitoring solution I'm working with, we created a new HTML page, a web page, which is called map route. So you can imagine what we'll do with that. I will actually create a route for the truck. My maintenance team is actually going to a customer to fix an HVAC system. And I want to make sure that they stop by the workshop in order to pick up the parts they will need for doing that maintenance. In my page, in the script, what I need to do is actually paste that key, and then I just have one control to use, which is a map. Very straightforward. And then to create a route, what I need to do is just send an HTTP request. And in that request, what I'm indicating basically is that I want directions as part of the route set of services on my instance of the location-based services. And I'm passing along the actual truck positions, so long lats, and then I'm putting in the warehouse position and then the factory point, which is where I want my maintenance team to head. So once I've done that, I can save and I can open the web page into a browser. So if I open this one, which is the HTML page, into the web browser, I will see that I'm getting a full map of the location that I can then navigate into, and I have my route has been created from the actual location of the truck all the way down to factory, stopping by the warehouse. And this was just one API away. And I have my very own now geolocation service that I can leverage in my application, and I can enhance my remote monitoring solution and customize it using the microservice infrastructure.